everyone. I'm gonna be making a YouTube video. I want to reach 3,000 subscribers for me to make another video of this at Moose Hill. Okay? So today's May 13th and it's Saturday. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. So let's go on a walk. Oh, and I forgot. This is a maple candy. And it's also yummy. That way. Oh, stop. Can I scratch, Mom? Let's go. I'm at Moose Hill, and Mom, point to this poison ivy. This poison ivy is not poison, but you see it's bold coloring, right? Kids and adult, I mean. So, do not touch this because it's actually making you itchy. But we're gonna keep going on our trail. Invisible river right there. It's just because of the bubbles are popping, or maybe there's something down there on the river, or maybe it's just fish making bubbles. But do you see that hole over there? I'm not sure, but if you see that hole over there, you might say, why is there 2 rocks in there? And there's 0 in them. So you might wonder, I'll just go with my dad and I'll tell, Dad, why do you think the water is making that sound?